Bangladesh legal system has evolved over the time, with its originally primarily rooted 200 years of British rule in India subcontinent, while some elements trace back to pre-British period under Hindu-Muslim administration. The present legal and judicial system has been developed as a continuous historical process. During the British colony, the land that now comprises Bangladesh was known as Bengal. The British rulers established the legal system that continues to influence the country's legal framework today. Here are some key points about the Bangladesh legal history. Colonial influence. The British colonial rulers developed the legal system during their British rule in India. The Charter 1726, granted by King George I, authorized the East India Company to establish mayor courts in Madras, Mumbai, and Kolkata. This charter is recognized as the first codified British law for India and for the Bangladesh. Post-independence legislation. Since the Bangladesh independence is in 1971, statutory laws enacted by the Parliament of the Bangladesh has been the primary form of legislature. Judge-made laws remain significant, especially in areas like constitutional law. Notably, the Supreme Court of the Bangladesh has authority not to interpret law but also to declare them null and void. Force fundamental rights of the citizens. Language shift. While the most of the Bengali laws were initially English, laws adopted after 1987 were primarily Bengali. Family law is closely integrated with religious law. Controversial laws. Bangladesh has controversial or constitutionally problematic laws. These include laws related to prostitution, special power, blasphemy, seduction, internet regulation, NGOs, media, military, justice, and property. No jury trust. Unlike some common law countries, British does not have jury trials. All the criminal civil cases are decided by bench trials. Rule of law ranking. According to the World Justice Project, Bangladesh ranked 103 out of 113 countries in index measuring rule of law in 2016. Bangladesh legal system has a rich history influenced by colonial legacy, post-independence legislation, and ongoing efforts to address legal challenges and modernize outdated laws.